Today we are going to discuss example on find out the equation of tangent and normal to the given curve at this point. It means we have given this one. There is a curve and this is a point which is indicated by 1 minus 2. We have to find out the equation of tangent passes through this point and equation of normal at this point. This is our tangent and this is our normal. We are going to find out the equation of tangent and normal here. So to find out the equation of tangent, we have required, first thing we have required passing point in both of them. This is the first requirement which is already given. Second requirement is slope. Now the slope of tangent is given by dy by dx, which is given by our power rule. 2s is power rule, 2x. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 becomes 0. Here, this value is indicated by x and this is indicated by y. So, slope of tangent at this point is given by, it is 4x, so it becomes 4 times value of x minus 3. So, it becomes 1. Equation is given by y minus y coordinate of point, it becomes sign change, is equal to slope of tangent x minus x1. If we simplify, we get this one. Alphabetical order, x comes first, so we have to shift this on the right hand side. So we get final answer, x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. As you see the diagram, normal is perpendicular to tangent. If two lines are perpendicular, then slope of first line say m1, second m2. So slope product of two lines should be minus 1. If one of the slope is given, it becomes negative of other. Means slope of perpendicular line is given by negative of 1 divided by slope of given line. So same here, this is the slope of tangent, so slope of normal become by using this minus 1 reciprocal of slope value. So equation of normal is here. Equation of normal, it is given by y plus 2, point is remain same, so there is no change in this value, only slope change. If you open it, we get minus x plus 1. Again shifting alphabetical order, x should be positive. On shifting, it becomes x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So like this, we can find out the equation of tangent and normal on a given curve. But remember, this point should be the point of contact here. Now we are going to take another example. We have given a curve which meet at a point of contact. When tangent is done at this point, it meets the x-axis, and the equation of curve is given by this one. As you know, if any line, any curve meets on x-axis, then y coordinate should be 0. If we replace y equal to 0, 0 multiply any value become 0. We get minus x plus 7 is equal to 0 as it is, so value of x become 7. So the point of contact become here 7, 0. Now at this point we have to find out the equation of tangent. So first requirement is here now. Passing point, it is already calculated. Next requirement, slope of tangent. So we are going to calculate slope of tangent from here by using product rule. First function remains same, second remains same. Then your third function become 1. Plus first remains same, third remains same. Then your second function become 1. Plus second function remains same, third remains same. That your first function y become here dy by dx. Now term of minus x, that will become minus 1, that of 7 become 0 here. As the value is given, point is given by x is equal to 7, y equal to 0. If we use it here, y equal to 0 means this term becomes 0. This term also becomes 0. Now we have to use x is equal to 7. So this value comes out 5. This value 7 minus 3 become 4. dy by dx is equal to 1. So dy by dx from here become 1 by 20. This is the slope of tangent. First requirement for the finding of equation of tangent. Second requirement, passing point. So equation is given by y minus y1 is equal to slope value x minus x1. Cross multiply, we get 20y is equal to x minus 7. Leading alphabet should be in alphabetical order, should be positive. So shifting this one on the right, sign change. So this one is the required equation of tangent The point of contact is the common point for tangent and curve which meets the x-axis. At this point we find out it comes out 7, 0. On this equation of tangent comes out x minus 20y minus 7 is equal to 0. We are taking another example. There is a curve represented by x square is equal to 4y, represents a parabola we show here, and we have to find out the equation of normal which is perpendicular to the tangent line and passes through point 1, 2. In this question, passing point of normal is given. This is not given, point of contact. So we choose here point of contact is given by x1, y1. So first of all, as the point is common to all of them, so it satisfies the equation of curve. It lies on curve. So we get from here x1 square is equal to 4y1. One of the result we get from here. Now to find out the equation of this line means normal. So first of all we have required slope of tangent. To find out slope of tangent we have required derivative. So x square by power root and 4s is dy by dx. So at x1 y1, this indicated point which is point of contact, slope of tangent. Slope of tangent means value of dy by dx. From here we get from here by cancel out it should be x1 by 2. So to find out the equation of normal we have required slope of normal here. Slope of normal is given by minus 1 divided by value of this. So it becomes minus 2 by x1. This is the slope of normal and this is the point where it passes through it. But we can find out the equation of normal at the point of contact only. This will satisfy because it is the passing point. So equation of normal at point of contact is given by equation is y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. If we see here the value of y1 from 1 we get y1 replaced by x1 square by 4 is equal to minus 2 by x1 x minus x1. It passes through 1, 2. It passes through 1, 2. So what we get from here? It means x should be replaced by 1, y replaced by 2. So we get this 2 minus x1 square by 4 is equal to minus 2 by x1 with x means 1 minus x1. If you open the bracket, otherwise we can simplify. X1 comes here, so we get here 2 x1 minus x1 cube divided by 4 is equal to minus 2 plus 2x1. If you see here 2x1 cancel out, on simplify we get from here x1 cube is equal to 8, so x1 comes out here 2. From this result we can find out the value of y1 also. If we replace it here from 1, x1 replaced by 2, it becomes 4 is equal to 4y1. It means y1 becomes 1. This is now point become this point given by 2, 1. If we replace this point here, we can find out the equation of normal. So it becomes here y minus 1 is equal to minus 2 divided by value of x1 x minus x1. To cancel out, it becomes minus 1. So we can find out the equation of normal from here. Y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. By simplification, we get final answer as x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. When the point of contact is given, only passing point is given to the normal line. So like this, we can find out the equation of normal here with the help of given curve and the passing point of normal here. Now we are taking another example. In this example, we have given a curve given by 3x square minus y square is equal to 3. And it is mentioned if we draw a tangent on the curve, it becomes perpendicular to the given line. In this case, again, point of contact is not given. We have to find out first. As it is given, tangent is perpendicular to the line. So we have to use the concept of perpendicular lines. If two lines are perpendicular, then their slopes are perpendicular to each other. So first of all, we are going to find out slope of tangent from here. By derivative, x derivative become 2x. This become 2y dy by dx. right side directly become 0. If you see here, from here, slope of line, it become minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. As the tangent is perpendicular, so slope of tangent, we can say perpendicular line, it become negative and then reciprocal. This is the slope of tangent. It means the value of dy by dx from here become, it is 3. So we have to use here dy by dx is equal to 3 here. So we get from here 6x minus 2y. Multiply this value by 3 is equal to 0. So 6x become is equal to 6y. It means y and x both are same. Now from 1, what we observe from here, if y and x both are same, it means first value become 3x square minus x square is equal to 3. So we get from here 2x square is equal to 3. X square become 3 by 2. So there are two possibilities of x. It may be positive 3 by square root 2 and negative square root 3 by 2. As y and x both are same, it means both the values are same here. So there are two possibilities of pair we get here. X and y both are square root 3 by 2. First case, second case, x and y both are given by minus square root 3 by 2. So equation of tangent from here we get y minus y value is equal to slope of tangent, it is given by 3 x minus square root 3 by 2. By simplifying we get this answer. And the second one, y minus of second point, it is positive, now it become is equal to slope of tangent x plus square root 3 by 2. By simplifying we can get the final answer of the equation of tangent which is perpendicular to the given line. Here we get two equations of tangent which are perpendicular to the given line where the point of contact is not given for curve and tangent.